Hi everyone, I want to show you guys beautiful paper collection by Kaisercraft. I think it's one of their most recent collection that's just come out in their store. It's the Blessed collection. It is such pretty paper. I'm just going to show you quickly the papers and the Happy Mail flipbook that I made using the paper collection as well. I mean, look how pretty these colors are. These are probably my favorite colors to work with as well. So it's double-sided. These are the 12 by 12 paper. Really pretty. This is the black dots, and that's the back. And this is another one here. And that's the other side. Nice and bright colors as well. Really fun to work with for any projects. I think there is a couple more other 12 by 12 paper in their collection, but I managed to only just get these ones. So really love these papers. And then I also got the matching coordinating die cuts in the packet. So I managed to use some of those in my projects. And this is the paper pad. And Kaisercraft paper pads are 6.5 by 6.5, so you get the extra ½ inch paper compared to most paper pads that are normally 6 by 6. So another nice fun bright colors to work with. So that's a paper pad, and this is a project that I made. It's another Happy Mail style flip book. I use a lot of the coordinating dies in the project as well, and I kept the book closed with one of my jumbo paper clips, and it has these 3 little washi samples that hang off it, and also I put one of these cute little pink resin charm dangle as well. And if you do purchase these, I do have these in my store. So if you do purchase this paper clip, you will get a random washi sample pack of 3 on the paper clips, and then you just need to choose which color flower resin you want on your charm. And then once that's finished, you can then just add your own washi of your choice. The length of the washi sample is about 12 inches long, 30 centimeters long. So there's enough there for you to use in your project. You can also attach this to your planners or your traveler's notebook as a bookmark, and it'll have these washi samples that you could use in your pages. So that's just what I use to keep this book closed. And the flip book measures 4 inches by 5 inches. Really easy. Now, I don't know if I've done a similar style flip book like this in my past videos. You probably know that I've done so many flip books and tutorials that I can't even keep up with which ones I've made. So I may have already made one similar to this, but I'll show you again in this video how you can make one of these as well, to save you looking for it in any of my other videos, because I don't know. It's very easy. So it's a perfect little flip book if you're new to happy mailing or new to making flip books, or you just want some other ideas on how you can make some quick flip book projects. So this is a perfect one. And opening it up, I've just embellished that page, and on this side I placed a little pocket or a tuck spot, and these are just some of the die cuts that were in the die cut packet. And then up here is the top pocket, and I placed a tag or an embellished tag that I made, and this tag is a tag die set that I have in my stash, and there's a place there to write a little note. And then on the inside of that, I've also placed some of my embellishments that I made. I made these in my previous video, and the paper that I used to package these is also from this paper pad as well. So it's really pretty. So that's the pocket that's on the top, and that goes in there. And then on the back, I did place a coin envelope that's an option. Just thought there wasn't a lot of space for adding more goodies in here, so I thought by putting one of these, there's another spot to add more goodies, a tea bag, your letter, or whatever you like. So I also have these coin envelopes in my store. I'll just show you. They come in a pack of 4, and this is one of the patterns or design paper, and that's the other one, and that's another one. And if you do purchase these, they do come flat like this, so it's cheaper for mailing, and then all you need to do is just assemble it yourself, because on the back here there is like 4 score lines, and you just follow those score lines, and that will make your coin envelope. So that's one. And there is another design that I have on there, and it's also a pack of 4. You get that one, this one, that one, and this one here. So there's 2 designs in my store. So I'll just show you. It's really simple. So there are your 4 score lines. You just fold the 2 side flaps over, and you just apply a little bit of glue to one side of the flap, and then press that down, and then after that you just apply a little bit of glue to the bottom flap here, and then fold that up, and that will create that coin envelope. And then you got that top part as the closure. So it's nice and big too. So I think it's a 3, I'm not too sure, let me just check. It's roughly 3 3/4 by 3 3/4. So it's 3 3/4. Sorry, it's 2 3/4 by 3 3/4. But it's a good size too for a gift card as well. So that's the envelope. Now I'm going to show you how you can make one of these. It's very, very easy. You just need a piece of paper. This is that paper again. How pretty is that? So beautiful. So you need to cut your paper at 5 inches by 12 inches. So if you're using a 12 by 12 paper, you will be able to make 2 of these flip books. And then when you've got that, you just need to line it on your scoreboard on the 12-inch side. You just want to score it at 4 inches and 8 inches. And that's all there is with the scoring. I use double-sided paper, and if you're going to use double-sided paper, just decide which part you want as your cover. And in this case, I'm going to have this as my front cover, so I'm going to turn that facing down. And then, sorry, I'm just going to go this way. And then on your left panel, oh, you can't see the score lines. I'll just give it a bit of a fold so you can see. Alright, so on this side here, you're going to bring that one towards you and press that down. So that will be your front. And then this one here, you're going to fold that back. So it's like an accordion fold. So you'll have like a Z shape. And then we're going to open it up. And on that middle panel here, if you want to do a thumb notch, it's up to you. You don't have to. That's for your pocket. We're going to make a thumb notch on the middle panel. This is a 1.5-inch circle. I'm just going to punch a half circle in the middle there to make that for the pocket. So then you've got that as your cover. Then we're going to turn that to the back, and on this side here we're just putting some glue on the edge of that side and on the bottom up to that fold line. So I'll just get my glue out. So just along the edge here, we'll just place a bit of glue to the edge, and then along the bottom just up to that middle fold line. And we're just going to then bring that back and press on those on the glue when we place the glue, and that will make that top pocket. And that's all there is to it with that flip book. This is perfect if you're a beginner to happy mailing, or you just wanted some more ideas on how you can make certain flip books. So that's all there is to it. So that was your cover, and then there's that top pocket that we've made. and that's the back. And then I've just used my corner rounder punch just to corner around the corners, which you could do that as well if you wanted to. And that's all there is to making this simple flip book, and that just goes in there like that. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video and this quick little flip book tutorial. I love making quick projects. It just makes it look just so quick and easy. So yes, so that is my project and video for today, and I'll put all the links down below for my store and the Kaisercraft online store as well. So I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you very soon. Bye.